Hello guys, I am stuck in something which I do not know. Okay, so welcome to this YouTube video called in a store called somewhere. No, I could. Welcome to the video called Shopping with Bluebird. There's really nothing. Like, what is this? I could be this too. Is this nail polish or what is this? I'm just a little birdie. I can fly all over. The best products comes from nature. No, it does not, woman. Look at your eyeballs. You are lying. What is this? Is this like a cushion? Oh, that feels good. Just kidding. It's super hard. Face masks. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here, but okay. What's a sponge? What is this? I can fly so fast that you can't even see who I am or not. Ooh, is that me? Yes, it is. I see myself in the camera. Pick your purple people something. Okay, let's read that again. Pick your perfect pouch. There you go. No idea. What's this thing called again? This thing. How come it's missing? You know what it's not. Something, 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 something. Something, 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 something. I have no idea what's going on. So right now we are in Woolly Marts. Marts of Walmarts. Let me check.
I think we should get this one.
I'm loving it. Do you hear that music? Most girls or shopping something. There's also a blue cushion. That thing is hard. This is more softer than. I broke my back. JK, no such thing as impacts. Is that real? It looks so perfect. It looks like paper. Show me your ways, nature. Which I am not just trying to say of this thing. This person is lying, right? Look at her in the eye. So these people are lying. What is going on? And what? How come it's blurry on the top? I have something like this, but I ain't showing you guys. 'Cause I don't want to. Let's go fly along. Elf. You know, Alina, she really loves makeup products, but she doesn't really wear it in front of the camera because she doesn't like to. It's because people say that she's ugly. But I don't know why. But who cares? So let's get on with this. And just saying, if this video starts getting kind of short, sorry about that. Only 15 minutes. Have people used this or something? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so soft. Got my necklace, you know, the crown. What's this? It's like a brush for your face. Maybe I can make something. I have no idea what that is, but let's go on. What's this? This is like another brush. I guess it's another brush. So I can do my little. Okay, next. Look at her face. He said, dramatic. So dramatic. You better stop that dramatic stuff, please, or I'm gonna die. Next, eyelashes or are these my wings? I'm just kidding. These are eyelashes. These are giant things. What we're looking at right now. Hey, you know, is this for Halloween or something? Yeah. Like this, like that. What is that? Eyelashes, 6'10", black. Oh, black. What does that say? Wait, what? Wait, let me read that again. Yep, it definitely says flirt. Do they have to wear those to flirt or something? So we are going to bring a card. It is a super... Oh my god, nope. No. Ah. Oh no. No, I'm bad at driving a cart, guys. But that'll be us, Tim. I would rather be hooking up myself in a garbage can. Okay, pause. Get selfie ready. What? Evil eyes again. She's lying. She's lying. Don't listen to her, guys. I wonder what this is. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, let's go look at another place. Say hi to the cameras. Smile. Big smile. Big smileys. Happy faces. Everything. Cookie nuts. Is that coconut? Oh my goodness. Avocado. Clouds. You can eat clouds. Is that even candy? Wait. Never mind. What's this? Oh well. Pumpkin. Something. Even more something. We're gonna be having to look more at places. Come on, guys. We need to look more at places. We might fill up some water, so yeah. Because my phone's about to die. 14%. Come on. We got this. Seriously, what does that sound? I need to know. Let's get the cart. Alright, we're going now. That
has bags of tan. Really? Already. Yeah.
What? So dramatic. What? Yay, wishing cards. Is that? Oh my god. It's a hamster. See my Instagram, please, man. You'll see hamster. Please, look at a hamster. Is that duck? Quack. More duck. Dog.
Well, there's a lot of
I forgot his name. Oh my god. Is that from Moana? I don't know who that is. The cat with big eyeballs. Bubbles and the balls. And a word from French people that they don't have a birthday that's classy okay. Go look at here, the fancy ones. These are all the fancy ones. Just look at them. Take time and look, so you can see those fanciness of the cards. Oh my god, my phone's 12%. What the heck? What's that? Show me.
glass.
Stop it. I'm gonna be fun. Very. What's this? Butterfly. I'm just kidding. I'm a bird. And yeah. Perfect picture. What's going on here? Wow. I love the smell of flowers. You guys should know that. Because I'm a bird. Come on, guys. 11%. We got this. What's this? It's a star that says, something just came into your life. A miracle made of tiny baby boy smiles and bugs and something. Okay, let's go. Okay, moving on. More birthday stuff.
What are you gonna get her?
Some candies, some more cards, balloons, more stuff, flowers. Oh my god, cups. I can't go in this. Just chilling. I have disappeared. So let's go. Oh my god, guys. 10%. We got this. Come on. A video. My phone is 10%. We can do this. Moving on. Say hi to the camera. Vaseline, which I just need. Okay, we are moving on to another station, which I don't know where we're going to go, but we're moving on somewhere, which is going to be very special. It's not going to be over there. It's going to be somewhere up there. That is very special. Somewhere that's all the way up there. It's going to be perfect.
Sell it.
Okay. Moving on. Reese's mini ones. Something. I love the mini ones. So I can eat it. Actually, I love the big ones. They're good. They're good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can fit in here. I'm here. Still moving on. Got that. Oh, there's even more of these, I guess. She looks super nice, but she's evil. She's super nice. JK, okay, guys. JK. We're in the medicine area, I guess. See, look at all that. Look at this and all. I don't know. Hello. I am not blind. Ow, that hurts. That is very hurtful. Do not do that again. Okay, so moving on. 9%, guys. My phone is 9%. We can do this. I'm gonna keep saying that when my phone gets slower. Come on. And it's like past 10 minutes, I guess.
Like I heard doing it.
11 minutes. Wow. Super beautiful. It has to be 14 minutes and then perfect. Oh my god. Do you see what I'm seeing? What the heck is that? I don't know. What is that? What is that? She has a cup. What do you need a cup for? Hello Kitty? Is this real candy? 8%, guys, we can do this. My phone is 8%. We can do this, we can do this, we can do that before I throw up in your guys' face when it turns like 5%. Nah, it's 8%. So let's go. Blankets! I love blankets. Oh, this is so soft. I could sleep in here forever. I'm just staying here forever. This is actually very soft that I'm soaking inside it. Do you have any questions? Do you guys have any questions? Tell me now before I suffocate. Oh my god,
Yeah,
cupcakes? They're fake. They're just on a box. Let's keep going, guys. Carpets, beautiful. Spoon. Something, a spatula. How many things are we gonna go through? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, moving on. We have found the ball. Now we're gonna kick it.
Caitlin.
Catch.
Volleyball.
Yep, does here. They love playing volleyball. Perfect day. Alright, we're going through this skating part of a. What is this? Some mermaids? Oh my god.
Oh, you found that?
It changes.
I honestly want
Oh, this is so cool. Say hi to the camera. Guys, say hi. They said right now. Say hi. Okay, 6%, guys. Sorry, but bye. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye.